The day you stop believing in yourself, your degrees can only take you to that far. But if you believe in yourself very strongly, now when I say believing yourself in strongly, I'm not talking from the arrogancy point of view. Arrogancy is different and conviction is different. When you believe in yourself strongly, then what happens, I'll tell you, people will take you irrespective of degree, and I have the live example. Inspiring means you are motivated to take action. If I'm getting depressed, then I'm comparing myself. I hope that I answer a simple way. Self-awareness and self-conception. Your awareness about yourself came from your conceptions about the circumstances. Take live example. While growing up, your parents might have told you thousands of times that you don't have focus, you don't have focus, you don't have focus. Now, they might have told you because at that age, what is the first thing? At that age, most of the children want to play. When kids are 10 years, most of our parents will be at the age of 40 and they'll be at the peak of their career. Kids want your complete attention. Parents don't want to give even 1 hour of their time. Now what is happening? So out of frustration, they say, man, you don't have focus, you don't do this, you don't do that. What happened now? Conception. So he's taking conception as what? Actually, parents are trying to give him feedback. He might grow up. Don't disturb us. What is the child thinking slowly? Okay, probably I'm like this. Okay. Then slowly, this self-conception became his personality and he started believing that is what. So self-awareness is now based on the conception, you derived a personality and you started believing that is your personality. Now that actually is a self-awareness, by the way, but the awareness base is wrong. Isn't it true? You are in an atmosphere where people are discouraging you for any reason. I don't know why they do it, but they do it. Under this condition, find some positive association, and I can assure you PIM is there. For a person with low self-esteem and with over a long period, say majority of life, can be overcome. My first question to you is this: do you want to overcome? I can say yes, but will you believe it? Because presently, I'll tell you what might have happened with you, Susank. The way it has happened is you might be growing in an atmosphere where people have drastically smashed your confidence, drastically. For any reason, you could not prove yourself successful till now, probably you did not got a good career also, probably you might not have got something great in your life. So your self-conception has slowly become your self-definition, that you are not deserving success. You are somewhere, luck is not with you. Whatever can be your self-definition right now. And that has become a bottleneck for your success. So can it be done? I have done it myself, so I would always say, yes, it is possible. After getting inspired is excellent, but how to retain? Yes, retention is an outcome of two things. Number one, do you have a genuine goal to chase, or is it just coming? Let's say you see this movie Gadar, or you see a movie like Border, which is about patriotism. So you become patriotic for 2 days for sure. Anybody who has seen a movie like Border will become patriotic for 2 days at least for sure. Correct or not? Because it gives a feeling, human feeling comes up. But if it is not attached to your strong core value, what is your core value? Is it loyalty? Is it personal freedom? Is it justice? Is it equality? Because you come to your value system. Based on your value system, your goal decides. And your goal will decide what you will do with that. That's how it will work out. So yes, it is possible. And if you want to keep it for a consistent period, first, your goal is needed. And secondly, positive association. Trust me, positive association is a must. No matter what is your endeavor. In Think and Grow, there's a chapter known as Mastermind Alliance. Your income is an average of 10 people whom you hang around. Check it out. That means the only way, so now who are my mastermind? The people whom I'm masterminding, they're all running 4-5 companies. I'm having mastermind alliance with them. They're all running big businesses. They're all impacting the world for a better cause. So what happens now? My average is improving. How to develop faith and attitude of gratitude using self-talk. Every day night, I do it. I go and thank my typical thank you spirit is, I'll tell you what I'll say. Thank God I'm healthy. Thank God I have good relationship with my home where I can peacefully sit and talk to my wife. I can talk to my kids. Thank God I have a great career. Thank God I am running a good business where I'm able to impact people's life. I used to a thank list is there, and then while sleeping I am visualizing my brighter future. What happens is when I wake up, some excitement is there.